Family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video, I'll be showing you the best way to ferment the most powerful and potent rice water that you can use to grow your hair, that will help to promote healthy hair growth, make your hair grow more stronger and fuller, help you to reduce excessive hair fall, and also the best way to ferment this rice water to get all the nutrients out. So if you sound like what you're interested in, let's dive into today's video. Our first ingredient is rice. So grab your rice. I'm using 1 cup of rice. You can use more or you can use less. So depend on you and depend on the amount, a large quantity that you want to make. So grab a bath to use and wash the rice, to wash out all the dirt in the rice. So this part is very necessary. Make sure that you wash the rice once or twice or more, depend on you. Like I am washing mine twice. So after rinsing it, this is the first rinse. Do you see how the water is? Rice, let's talk about the benefit of rice. Rice water contains vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair and scalp, encourage hair growth, also increase the shine of hair, make it stronger, and make your hair grow more fuller and strong. Okay, so rice water is very benefit in our natural hair. So this is the second rinse. Do you see the water now is more plain? After then, I'll grab my jar. Make sure that you are using jar, clean jar, and make sure that is not plastic jar. Some people will not tell you this. Don't use plastic jar to ferment your rice water. You will not get good result. The rice water will go acid. You will not like the outcome, especially this type of rice water that we are fermenting here. Make sure what I'm using now is balm jar, breakable jar. Make sure that it's breakable jar, okay? Don't make use of plastic jar to ferment your rice water. Some people will not tell you this, but I'm telling you the truth. If you want to get good benefit of rice water, make bottle jar, okay? So our second ingredient is rosemary, dry rosemary leaf. So if you have fresh one, feel free to make use of it. What I have here is dry rosemary leaf. Rosemary is very good in our hair. I'm using 1 full tablespoon of rosemary leaf. So let's talk about the benefit of rosemary leaf. Rosemary is effective of promoting hair growth, prevents hair loss and thinning hair, and also help restore shine by removing product buildup. So combination of rosemary and rice is bomb to fasten your hair growth. So this is the full tablespoon of rosemary. After then, I will pour in my steam water. This is steam water. It's not hot water, it's steam water. I hope you understand what I mean by steam water. So I will fill it up with my steam water. But if you want to make use of room temperature water, feel free to make use of it, but don't use cold water on this, okay? So our next ingredient is orange peel. Orange peel is very good in this rice water. Orange peel help to enhance the smell of rice water. With this orange peel, your rice water will not smell that horrible smell, but you can also add essential oil if you have any essential oil at home, okay? So orange peel have some good benefits in our hair. It also helps to reduce hair fall, and also orange peel contains some minerals that help to enhance hair growth, okay? So but make sure that the orange peel, orange itself, like orange fresh, is not in your orange peel. Make sure that you are using plain, as you can see, as I'm showing you here. This is plain orange peel, so that you will not contact bacteria on your rice water. We don't need the orange fresh. All that we need is orange scale. But at this point, I make a mistake. I overfill up my jar with water, so I'll go off camera to reduce the water, and after then I will still, after putting my orange peel, I will still fill up the jar. So at this point, if you are new in this channel, if today is your first time stopping by in this channel, welcome. In this channel is all about how to grow your hair without breaking the bank. Please join the family, don't make it your last. Join the family by subscribing, okay? Turn up your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. You guys are so amazing. Please give your girl a thumbs up, like the video, share the video to your family and friends. Thank you so much. So now I'm covering in my rice water. Make sure that you cover it very tight. These are another important parts of this video. Make sure that you cover it very tight. After covering it, keep it away in your cupboard or wherever that is dark and cool, dry and cool place. Keep it away for 5 days. We are fermenting this for 5 good days. You are seeing the way the orange peel is. After 5 days later, see how our rice water is. Everything have changed. Both the orange peel have changed. That little bubble that is coming out show that the rice water have fermented well. The rice water is still intact. Nothing spoil. Everything are still good. So this is the good example that you know that your rice water have fermented well. If you are using plastic, you will not see this sign. I mean, when I said it, you will not see it. Your rice water, after these 5 days now, your rice water will go rice seed. I mean it, you see some kind bacteria on top of it. Seriously. So please don't make use of plastic. Find way and get bottle jar if you don't have to use this rice water. So I'm showing you the orange peel. Everything have fermented. The orange peel have changed in color and soft. So at this point, the rice water is not smelling at all. After 5 days fermentation, the rice water was not smelling at all. So let's start now. I've removed the orange peel finish. Let's start another step. This is the best way, the secret of this potent, powerful, effective rice water, by rubbing your rice water in your hand. I will rub it for 5 to 10 minutes to get all the rice nutrients out of this into this rice water, to get all the benefit of this rice into the rice water. So rubbing it hand for 5 to 10 minutes will give you that good result. When you rub it onto the rice water, color make in color, like as you can see, it's color make color, like you see that early of this video, that make color rice water that is saw. This is how I got that make color rice water that is saw. Another way to know whether you have got the nutrients out, you put your hand in the rice water and you will not see your hand. As you can see, you're not seeing my hand now. Show that all the nutrients of this rice water is out. This rice water is bomb. If you have not tried this rice water before, please try it. Let me know in comment section what you thought in this fermenting of rice water. This fermenting of rice water, it will never leave your hair dry. Your hair will feel so soft. It's like living in treatment. I mean it. You love this rice water. I'm not kidding. A trial will convince. I can't wait to hear your feedback. So at this point, I make a mistake. I don't know that I did not hold all the mat of my shift cloth. So now I will transfer it back in my bowl. So use shift cloth or whatever you have to shift out your rice, to collect your rice water, so that you know, make sure that what you are using is very tight, so that the particles of this rice will not stuck on your hair and you not like it. And also, if you are using spray bottle, the particles can block your spray bottle. So make sure that you strain it with a tiny shift cloth. So now I have squeeze it very well to get your rice water out of the rice chaff. But me, after now, I will still transfer it into the bath again and add water, still rub my hand on it to get the more benefits of the remaining rice water chaff. This rice water is bomb. Don't sleep on this. What I mean by don't sleep on this, don't joke with this rice water. If you want to really grow your hair fuller, stronger, try this rice water. This rice water is a must try. A trial will convince you. I don't need to preach too much in this rice water. I know what I'm saying, but I can't wait to hear your feedback on this rice water. This rice water is bomb. So please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought on this video, and also if you have tried before or are you going to give it a try. And if you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. So as you can see, I'm rubbing it very, very well. I'm rubbing it again. This is the second one. Remind you, this is the second one. So after now, I'm okay with it. After this second one, I'm okay with it. I will now discard the rice itself. It's of no use. The rice now is useless to us. We don't need it again. All we need now is this rice water. So after now, I will transfer it into my bottle jar. But if you want to wash your hair, this rice water is ready to be used. But today, I'm not washing my hair, so I will still transfer it into my jar and ferment it more 3 weeks. I will ferment it to more 3 weeks. I've transferred it and put new orange peel. I'm not putting the old orange peel before. This is the new orange peel that I'm putting in there. So, and also I will add more water to fill up the jar. So because this rice water is very, very potent. Okay, if you want to fill up more, it can fill it up more. If you want to add more water, add more water. I will cover it very tight. How to use this rice water? Use it on your wash day. You can use it before shampooing your hair. What I mean by before shampooing your hair, use it and hydrate your hair very well. Cover your hair up for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, enter into your shower and shampoo your hair and continue with your routine. Sometimes I use it after I shampoo my hair. I will use and hydrate my hair, cover it up for 30 minutes and raise it out and deep condition my hair. So you can use it two ways. Okay, please, if you don't want to ferment your own more, you can put it in your fridge, not freezer. Remove the orange peel. Don't put another orange peel. Just put it in your fridge. It will be okay. But if you want to ferment your own more, add your orange peel and keep it away in your cupboard. Leave it for up to 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, we bring it out and remove the orange peel and put it back in your fridge. Okay, this rice water can last up to 4 to 5 months without going bad in the fridge. So this will be closing today's video. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video to your family and friends. Okay, please, if you have comment down in below, let me know your thoughts in this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.